Hi everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Oluwatobi Olajide, and this is my Code in Place 2025 project. And as you can see, I'm currently within my ID environment. I'm using this is a console project, and I would like to take you through this within the next few minutes. Please follow me as I run you through this. So the title of my project is Tfocus Learning Platform. As you can see, once I click on this, we go into the environment where I've built this. So this is the code that powers the project. I've tried as much as possible to use various pseudocode for users to understand how I came about my code. For example, this initial lines says, welcome remark to get users settled in and clarify the objective for the platform. So print welcome to Tfocus Learning Platform. You can ask questions about financial reporting standards, taxation, or financial planning. So, and then for every blank line, you can see create blank line. That's the objective for that. This particular function is to call AI function to give responses to users' inquiries and so forth. So let's just go straight into the function and how to see how this project works. So please let your focus be on this terminal box. So I click on run. When you do that, the first thing you see is welcome to the Tfocus Financial Learning Platform. You can ask questions about financial reporting standard, taxation, or financial planning. Note, use your enter key to proceed after an input. So now enter your question or type quit to exit. So let us just test something. So I want to assume I have something I need to quickly attend to. So I won't be able to proceed with this learning platform, at least for now. So I will write, I'm going to type quit, and then let's watch out for the next prompt. Enter. Thank you for using the platform Keep Learning, powered by TFLP Code in Place 2025. So TFLP Code in Place is the financial learning platform Code in Place 2025. So now I'm back. I want to use the platform to learn. So what I do is, of course, I run the program again. And what I have next is the same introduction. Welcome to Tfocus Financial Learning Platform. You can ask questions about financial reporting standards and so on. So this time around, I'm ready to learn. So let's look at something around budgeting. So of course, by practice, I'm a financial analyst. But however, let me ask as a layman. So let me just say, what is budgeting? So what is budgeting? Put my question mark for a full sentence, and then I press enter. So interesting question. Keep inquiring. You will master this concept in no time. That's what a program has sent, and then I'm waiting for the summary. So as you can see, my outcome is out. So before the outcome, you can see collating responses for you. And then here is an answer to your question. So summary response, what is budgeting? Budgeting is the process of creating a financial plan that outlines expected income and expenses over a specific period of time. So of course, learners will have to take time to read this, right? Because this is the concept you want to learn. And the budget currently involves several key components, which include forecasted income, projected expenses, and of course, brief definition about them, budgeting methods, monitoring as well as adjusting. And then you have goal setting, right? Effective budgeting can lead to improved financial stability and so on and so forth. So the program is designed to give 5 references for every question, whether within taxation, financial planning, or maybe around financial reporting standards. So, and also there's this closing remark that says, these resources can enhance your understanding of budgeting and provide practical tips for effective financial management. So there's this last prompt that wants to ask you if you want to proceed to continue to learn or study further, or at this time you want to exit. So this particular program, this code acts like the initial code that is designed to end whatever activity you are doing on the platform. So right now, I'm not ready to end because I'm still going to come back here. If I prompt this platform a million times, I will always have this at the end of each responses. So what I want to do quickly is I want to learn further. Now, I've asked about budgeting. So one thing you also need to know is if I click no, now the challenge is I was trying to remember my last question. So if I click no, I'm not ready to exit, enter, it will tell you, here is your last question, what is budgeting? So my last question was what is budgeting? So you don't, for example, if you are within this platform, you may have queried the platform, let's say 20 times, and you can keep track of your most past questions so that you are consistent with what you are searching, particularly if you are trying to create an article and you just want to copy out all the responses and go elsewhere to edit, right? So what you then do is no, and no, it says yes, okay. So I've asked about what is budgeting. So the next thing I want to ask is, okay, there's a concept under budgeting, which is a bottom-up approach. So I want to ask, give me an insight about a bottom-up approach. So we are back at the start again, which is enter your question. I'm not ready to quit yet. So give me an insight into the concept called bottom-up approach, right? So, and then I click enter. So interesting question, keep inquiring, you master this concept in no time. Of course, there are different random feedbacks you can get for that line. So I'm waiting for my question and then my answer is out. So what I have now is, okay, here is an answer to your question, summary of bottom-up approach. So you can see from here, sorry guys, the bottom-up approach is a methodology used in field, including economics, blah, blah, and it gives us key characteristics, which is empowerment of individuals, focus on local knowledge, interactive process, collaboration, and the likes, applications in business, quick summary. And as I earlier stated, the program is designed to give 5 references for every inquiry you make, because what you have come to ask, the program is designed to give summaries. So it means if you want to do further study in details, you can just leverage those references. For example, if you want to study further under bottom up, you can make reference to the Lean Startup by Eric Rice, and it gives summary of what the book entails. And of course, in this case, there's no any web code. There are times where it comes with web link for you to study further. So now I'm tired. I don't want to go further. I can keep going on, right? For example, if I ask it again, what is forecasting, which is also a concept within budgeting, right? Okay, sorry, this is not the time to ask question, guys. So no, I'm not going yet. So it brought my last question. Give me an insight into the concept called bottom-up approach, right? So this is the last question. Now, am I ready to quit? No. I want to go the third time to ask further questions. So what I want to say is, what is forecasting, right? What is forecasting? So then I click, oh, that's an excellent question. We're here to provide insight on all the 3 elements this program focuses on. So I'm waiting for the feedback in less than 2 seconds. Wow, my inquiry has been solved. Okay, so forecasting is the process of predicting future event trends or behaviors. And you can see it gave 2 detailed definition, and then key objectives of forecasting are highlighted here, and 5 references where you can learn forecasting further. And then, is that all you want to ask? If so, type yes. So now I'm ready to exit. So once I type yes, then it tells me, thank you for using the platform. Keep learning, powered by Tfocus. That's my nickname. Financial learning platform, Code in Place 2025. So that's all. And I believe this is a platform, people within the finance space can leverage instead of you going to the robust, maybe ChatGPT and the likes of them. You can just leverage Tfocus Financial Learning Platform and streamline your learning in summaries, and then harvest all your references to do your deep dive or further study. So thank you. Just a quick testimonial. This is my first time learning Python, and Coding Place 2025 has been extremely impactful. There's so much I could have done, but we just have to submit a project. So in the course of time, of course, I will use those projects to build my portfolio and get to discover more about what I'm capable of doing with my learning from Code in Place. So I'm pushing this in for submission right away. And I look forward to feedbacks from everyone that will review this. Probably there's any other way I can make this better. I look forward to sharing this with my community on LinkedIn and across the various places I currently create impacts. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye.